Meaning of goal poacher.
Goal poacher.
Goal poacher.
Goal poacher.
Goal poacher. Goal poacher is a term used to describe a type of soccer player whose primary skill is scoring goals. These players are often positioned around the opponent's goal area, waiting for opportunities to strike and score. They have a keen sense of positioning and timing, allowing them to pounce on loose balls or rebounded shots for easy goals. Successful goal poachers tend to have high goal-scoring records and are highly sought after by teams looking to bolster their offensive lineup. In summary, a goal poacher is a specialized type of soccer player who excels at scoring goals through opportunistic play.